I got this cool gift. Look at that.
What do you got there, Saskia?
It is from Irene in Austria. And she...
Guinea pig.
I know what's in it, but I haven't opened it yet.
You know what's in it?
It's an apron with my name on it. And because she told me wear an apron when I'm cutting guinea pig hair, because I get all the little hairs here. So, I just can't wait. So I'm gonna, and I just want to show the cute guinea pig hair. That's so sweet. It's so cute. She's
Open it.
All the way from Austria. And let me see. There's a website here, schweinchenladen.com.
Which means guinea pigs, isn't it? Schweinchen.
Yeah, it is pig something.
Well, if you go to the YouTube
My German's
channel,
not that good.
her YouTube
Mein Deutsch
channel.
is nicht so gut. Ich habe ein klein bisschen Schulden gelernt.
We will also put a link right here. I can put a where's my finger? There it is. Bing! I'll put a link to Dinafi, her YouTube channel.
Yes.
She's got amazing, cool, cute videos.
Dinafi. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's super cute.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just gonna try.
German with English subtitled videos of the cutest pigs.
I can do it like this.
And her channel also has.
And she has this amazing setup.
Yeah.
This whole room.
It's really, if you want like a good inspiration for how to set up hideys, really cool wooden hideys with archways and.
Yeah. And they have this room. I mean,
it's like a covered patio kind of thing.
Which guinea pig does not want to live like that?
I love all her videos.
Oh, and here, this is Gizmo.
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 Gizmo's going to come into play in a minute.
So Gizmo is perfect that he just needs a haircut right now. He's perfect because I got an apron for my haircut.
It's serendipity.
Oh my goodness. This is for Melissa. All right.
More wrapping.
More wrapping, yay!
Pretty wrapping paper.
Gizmo, stay here, my little love. Stay here, little boy. And she handmade this. I mean, that's the coolest thing about it. Oh, wow! It's two.
2 aprons.
No, for Scott. Does Scott have an apron? Oh, come on.
What?
That would be so cool. Scott, no apron for you.
I don't need an apron.
But you do get this.
What's that?
You.
I'm going to open it in a different video, which will also be bing right there.
Das große Glück setzt sich in lauter kleinen Glücksmomenten zusammen.
What?
The greatest joy comes from all the small joys together, makes one big joy. That's what I think
What?
it is.
You can understand that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that was pretty
I'm Dutch, so most Dutch people speak a little German.
All right.
But I should speak better than I do, but let's go to the real
Open.
business. Open.
Man, now I'm super excited too.
Oh, there's Saskia. Best greetings from Austria, and I wish you
This is a little sock keychain. What is that?
strength and enjoy to do all the work. Strength and energy.
Yeah.
You are very precious woman.
Oh.
So sweet. And this is the cutest sock. Look at that. And she makes all this stuff. I have
That's
such
like
admiration for people that
Oh
make
my gosh.
things, you know?
Look at that.
That is the cutest thing.
That you could stick it on your guinea pig when they kick their leg out. Look how flat Gizmo is right now. Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, LA Guinea Pig Rescue, Saskia. That's a beautiful flower. Double. Cool. So you don't even have to, you could just, when one gets hairy, you just
I know,
throw
I can get
on the other one.
And you know what else?
Look at that, made with love. Well, that's pretty obvious. Oh, look at that. That's so cool.
It is so cool.
Wow. Yeah, look, she's got the care instructions and everything. This is legit.
I know.
Wow. So wait, I wonder if she has these on her store. If she has a store on her website. That is a really nice job.
Linen.
Yeah, that's some nice material.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it on. Which one are you going to put on first?
I'm going to put this one. Actually, I should put that one on. Goes better with my outfit, but... Okay.
Keep that one in its wrapping. Keep it nice and cool.
This is awesome. You know what? This is perfect because those little hairs, they go everywhere, but I really
What does that little
think...
tag say? There's a little tag on there?
Oh, that's just a little. Oh, see, it's linen and cotton, luxury textiles.
Nice.
Oh,
Cool.
You know that is what I figured, linen, because the little hairs are not gonna go escape and start bothering me, because that kills me. So.
Man, and now you've got a
Now-
name tag also built in because
I
you're always
know.
your name tag's always flipping
My name
around and
tag.
everything. That's cool.
All right, so
Man.
do you want to watch? Do you think everyone would like to watch the nail
Yeah,
clip?
yeah.
I mean, the hair.
The hair clip, the hair trim.
So what did I do with my scissors?
Oh,
The
it's
scissors
just
like
nice.
over-
It's just nice to
You are so sweet.
have things sent. But
And I asked the owner, is he always this chill? And apparently he is.
Gizmo's
I
super
always
chill.
get a little concerned when they're super chill
Well,
like that.
it's not hot. It's only 70 degrees, like
Yeah, I know.
79, 75 degrees.
Look
It's
how
a
beautiful he is.
beautiful day. Well, he
should
had a
make-
couple
take a
pairings
video from
and
the top.
he had a couple pairings and he was, mixing it up, so he's tired.
He's tired.
And he's also probably pretty content because he found his buddy.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Got a little weepy eye here.
But yeah, we shouldn't assume if your guinea pig changes their behavior drastically in a short period of time, then that is a sign that they aren't feeling well.
Yeah, for sure.
But we were watching him. He was pretty rambunctious earlier.
Oh, now you're gonna move around? This is exactly what you need to stick on, buddy.
So what's your technique here? We've talked about your Oster scissors, right?
Yes, love
Those are
these.
real legit hair
These
cutting
use
scissors.
forever.
Those aren't
And-
just any
Yeah, and they're very reasonably priced at Amazon as well.
oh. Man, we got to get our affiliate thing
You know,
going,
they're
and then you
super-
can put a link in the description to them, and
Right.
people can support the rescue and get the same.
YouTube should have that. There's affiliate link stuff.
Well, we'll look into that.
Yeah.
We got to look into that. We got to step up our game a little
So
bit.
with the long hair guinea pigs, you want to just cut around. So you never want to start cutting here.
Well, you could if you want
Because-
like a mohawk.
Yeah, but then, yeah, I guess. Because then they're just going to look like the rats had to go at him and just kind of munched away on his hair.
You don't want that.
We do not want that. So I just measure my
Give him a
finger and the ground. That's kind of my measure.
Bowl cut.
But again, it's easy for me because I used to be a stylist, and that makes it a lot easier. Because I know this is not. This looks super easy when I do it, but I know it's not that easy.
You make everything look easy when it comes to guinea pigs.
Stop it.
The nail clipping.
Well, you know,
you do make the
practice-
nail clipping look easy.
Yes, I guess you do. That's. Yeah, I guess I'm a professional at the nail clips.
I mean, and
But it's
also
because I've
picking
been doing
guinea
it
pigs
for
up,
20
you have
years.
confidence. You know what you're doing.
Right.
But that's kind of part of it, is just have the confidence, and if you care about your animals, then you're not going to hurt them.
Right.
Just have the confidence to take care of them.
So, just make the beginning start. This is not what it's going to be like.
And you said you had like a technique to make sure that you don't like cut their butts.
Yeah, so what I do is that I want to make sure, well, see, when you do this, you just cut in between your fingers.
Yeah.
So that way you know you're not going to cut the guinea pig. But if I'm doing like closer stuff like this,
Yeah.
then I will not cut until I see the other end, well, that's the other
Yeah.
end of the scissor. So that way you know you're also not really cutting. But you know what? There are blunt tip scissors as well that work really well if you're just starting out with the hair clips. Those are safe, so you don't poke the piggy, you don't accidentally cut, and those I would recommend, because I'm going really close here.
Yeah.
But that's, well, again, I do this so often that
Yeah.
it's pretty easy for me. But okay.
And not all guinea pigs need their hair cut, just the long-haired
The
ones.
long hair ones, you know, you just wanna, and I know it looks super pretty when they have long hair,
Yeah.
but it's just nice for them to have, especially this area, to have it nice and short, because it's not gonna
It
match.
looks cute when you have it done.
And it does look cute. It looks
It's
like a
funny.
fresh haircut, like just came from the hairdresser, which they kind of did. Now he's talking up a storm. Now he's not happy with me. You hear that?
Yeah, you got his scissors
Now he
right
woke
by
up. He's like,
It's like, careful, Saskia.
Careful.
Watch where you're clipping.
Put your leggy. Put your leggy back. Good boy.
Wop, 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 wop. Man, I'm excited. I get to open this thing. It could be anything in there.
Why don't we do that, Scotty? While
I'll do that next. Okay, let's do it right now.
We'll get someone to hold the camera for you.
All right. All right. Schweinchenladen. Oh, thank you, Irene. There's all sorts. Oh my gosh, these are the T-shirts. I don't know if these are like new ones or the ones that were in the video. Oh my god, my heart's melting. Ah!
Oh, that is so cute. I know.
And it's the clothesline too. These are them. Oh my gosh. Oh, and there's a picture of them. Oh.
Isn't it amazing? These people that make stuff like
I love
that.
it.
I mean, it's just such a talent, Irene.
Yeah, well, I never really expected all of this, you know, when I started uploading videos. Look at, and my sock is even cooler than your sock.
Oh, yeah,
look at these colors.
Fancy one.
Oh,
so
thank you,
cool.
Irene. Not toll. What does that mean?
I actually don't know. Sorry.
It's a roller skating dog with rollerblading dog with ice cream. Oh man. Oh, he's like basically like, screw it. He's like, I'm gonna do whatever I want. He's got all three of the things. No dogs, no roller skating, and no. That's me breaking all the rules. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. All right. I'm so happy.
Very cute. So
now I have to put a link to this video right there.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Oh my gosh.
So I was thinking maybe
my heart's
we
exploding.
should pause and then show when I'm done.
Okay.
Like.
All right.
All right.
Okay. Stand by, folks.
All right.
We're back.
Okay.
Gizmo's barely awake.
He's so mellow, this
Look
dude.
at that butt cut. Wow.
See, looks a
Very
little
symmetrical.
nice.
Very cute.
So
Very
this
funny.
way looks all fresh.
And
fresh
that grows back
haircut.
pretty fast. So it's like, it's not like he's gonna look like that in a few weeks. It'll be wild again.
And now I guess we still need to do your nails, huh?
It kind of looks like a turtle shell the way you've done it.
He's fed up with me though, I tell you that.
All right, so you're gonna do the nail clips, but we can just cut out here, and we can say thank you for to Irene for the awesome
gift. Thank you so much. Dankeschön.
Oh man, it's just so thoughtful. She could have sent me just some leftover Timothy hay from the guinea pigs, and my heart would be singing. But it's just the thought. So thank you so much.
We're really touched.
My pleasure.
Very, very sweet.
Congratulations, you guys. Yeah, you had the intuition and you found the right match.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Well, we'll end it here. The big bail is 25.
And we also do email checks too.
Okay. We'll end it here. We'll have some more videos populating. Cool.